Chapter 8. Reign continues.
Are you free right now? I saw a message and replied. Are you done with your work? Yanjin would never reply so late. What happened? Also, how did I get to the hospital?
Hey, that person looks like Yanjin.
I was also shocked, but how could it be possible? How could a big star with disheveled hair and dirty face break into a hospital in the middle of the night?
Hello.
Where are the patients in this ward? Where are the patients in this ward?
What do you mean? She was still there when I was checking the room just now. Oh no. Head nurse. The patient in bed 14 is missing.
The rain never stopped, but I'm sorry, I can't lend you an umbrella. Although I love the rain, my friend doesn't like water. He used to live in the water, and I rescued him, so we are friends, but he doesn't need to come and save me, he just needs to stay by my side. Is it the same for you, Yanjin?
I'm asking you a question. Did you take the photo? What on earth are you?
No, I can't. No swearing. No one likes a kid who swears.
When did he come towards me? I didn't even notice it.
I know everything about you. You have a lot of eyeliner. Lots and lots of it. They have been lurking in every corner related to Yanjin for a long time. Anyone who has a relationship with Yanjin, even if it's just a simple greeting, will be strictly investigated. So, when Songqing sold the photos to the paparazzi for her own selfish desires, you knew about it at the first time. You approached the paparazzi and deliberately offended the Lishu gang just to pin the blame for the paparazzi's death that night on them. If Yanjin hadn't suddenly appeared, they would never have known that you were in a relationship. I know you thought you had dealt with everyone involved. As long as the leader of the Lishu gang doesn't know about Yanjin's existence, everything will be safe. But half an hour ago, he already knew it. This is what I wish for, torture you. Constantly torturing you. Why? First time experiencing this?
First time? No. I'm so familiar with it.